WhatsApp usernames. Lock yours in before it's gone. What's up everyone and welcome back. Today we are talking about one of the biggest privacy shifts in WhatsApp history. For the last decade, if you wanted to message someone on WhatsApp, you had to hand over your personal phone number. There was no way around it. But right now, Meta is officially changing the game. WhatsApp is shifting away from phone numbers and introducing unique usernames, just like Instagram or X or Telegram. This means down the road, you can join group chats, talk to clients, or message people you meet at events completely privately without ever revealing your actual mobile number.
Going crazy, don't think I'll get on safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to
The feature is rolling out in phases global right now, and here is exactly how to go and reserve yours without accidentally opening up your camera roll. First, make sure your app is fully updated to the latest version in the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open up WhatsApp and head over to your settings menu. Do not tap your profile picture at the top. If you do that, it will trigger your gallery to change your photo. Instead, look slightly down the page and tap directly into the account menu. Inside the account section, if the update has hit your device, you will see a brand new option that says username or reserve username. Tap that, type in your unique handle, which needs to be between 3 and 35 characters, and hit save. You can even choose to sync it directly with your existing Instagram or Facebook handle through Meta's account center to keep your digital branding consistent.
So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo.
Now, why is it absolutely critical that you do this today? Because timing is everything. WhatsApp has over 3 billion active users worldwide. That is a massive amount of name overlap. WhatsApp has opened up app reservations early specifically so that everyday users, creators, and small businesses have a fair shot at locking down their exact identities before the platform releases the feature to the entire world later this year. If you wait until the full public launch, your name, your brand, or your business handle will almost certainly be gone. And imagine if you're a public figure, say a politician, a musician, somebody famous, somebody might also claim your name and misuse it. Plus, securing it early gives you immediate access to WhatsApp's new anti-spam tool called the username key. This is an optional 4-digit PIN you can activate. Once it's set up, random strangers cannot just guess your username and spam your inbox. They will actually need to know your unique 4 PIN to start a conversation with you for the very first time.
To my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink.
A username completely changes how you connect. Here are the 3 main reasons why a username is a massive upgrade over a traditional phone number. Number 1, hardcore privacy control. When you give someone your phone number, you aren't just giving them a way to message you. You are handing over a piece of your permanent digital identity. With a phone number, someone can look you up on mobile money, search for your leaked data in old breaches, or find your personal Facebook profile. With a username, you control the boundary. People only see the identity you want them to see. Mactono-media, that's an example. Keeping your personal life and location completely separate. Secondly, effortless boundary management. If a contact turns out to be annoying, a spammer or someone you no longer want to deal with, managing them with a phone number is a headache. They still have your digits and they can easily call or text you from a different SIM card or burner number. With a username, you can easily change your handle or activate a security PIN like WhatsApp's new username key. If you change your handle, the link to you is instantly broken. No need to buy a new SIM card or change your actual phone number just to get some peace. Thirdly, professional branding and portability. Phone numbers are tied to countries and physical SIM cards. If you travel internationally, move regions, or change telecom networks, keeping a consistent identity is messy. A username is global, digital, and completely platform agnostic. It allows creators, journalists, and businesses to match their identity perfectly across Instagram, X, and WhatsApp, making it incredibly easy for an audience or client base to find them without worrying about country codes. Go check your account settings right now. Secure your handle before someone else claims it, and drop a comment below to let me know if you got yours. See you in the next video.